Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. In this video, we are going to learn how to change the homepage URL or customize the home icon URL on your Samsung Internet. Now when you open your Samsung Internet, you will be shown the start page, and even if you tap on this home icon at the bottom in the toolbar, it will open the same start page. Now if you want to customize this page to something else, say suppose you want to open google.com, so what you can do is you can just tap on this three bar options, go to settings, and in this settings you can go to home page option, which is first, and select the custom page. Now enter the page that you want. Say suppose I want to open google.com, and let me hit save. And if I go to home page and tap on this home icon, it will open the Google home page. Now if I open a new tab, it will still load the Google home page. So this way you can customize the home page or home icon URL on your Samsung Internet browser. I hope this helps. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Cheers. Thank you. Have a nice day.